Hey my Rhapsody fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka, and if you are wondering anything about this eye makeup look, then this is already live on my Instagram channel. So make sure that you check that out. The handle name somewhere on the screen, and we'll also leave the link in the description down below. So make sure that you check that out. There I upload so many makeup videos that I do not upload here. So make sure that you are following me on Instagram as well. And in today's video, as the title reads, I am going to show you the products that I have bought from Amazon recently. So basically I have been shopping from Amazon's like quite a lot these days. So I have compiled my last 2-3 orders in one video, so that I don't have to make different videos on Amazon hauls. So that's why I have included all the products that I have recently received in this video. And with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So I do not have as such a particular order to show products. So whatever comes to my hand, I will just show it to you. And the first thing that I have here is this Max coconut hair oil. This is 100% natural and cold pressed, which is amazing. If you want to use any coconut or any other oil on your face or hair, then make sure that is cold pressed and 100% natural. And this is very natural, and I haven't used this earlier, and I haven't even started it right now, because I recently received this. And I think I cannot talk too much about this. And this is for cooking, dietary, skin and hair oil. This is for all purpose, extracted from coconut milk, which is great. I haven't tested it yet, so I have no reviews to set this. And all the links will be in the description down below. And so there will be one single link, and in that, if you click that particular single link, then you will reach to a page which will have all the products over there. So there will be only one link in the description down below. This is for, I don't know, this is for 375. Yeah, this is for 375. Okay, so the next thing that I have here is this Maybelline Mesmerizing Magenta 680 lipstick. The number is 680 and the color is Mesmerizing Magenta. This is from Maybelline New York. This is a bright pink. So I will. So yes, this is this bright pink color, and this I have tried this lipstick. So this is a very beautiful pink shade, but that's a creamy matte kind of a thing, and this is not smudge proof. So even if you apply a single coat or double coats as well, this will come out if like this. So yes, it will come out any which way. So for the price point, I think it was okay to invest in such kind of thing, but I believe that there are much better brands and lipsticks available in the market. You will get in the same price, but the better quality and everything, and they are not they will not smudge at all. And the next thing I have here is this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is their VI Purple. फोन आ गया था बीच में, इसलिए वीडियो रुक गई. फोन से रिकॉर्डिंग होती है. सो दिस इज देयर VI Purple, and I have heard so many good reviews about this particular palette, so I have to try this. So if you are interested in makeup, then please stay tuned to my channel, because I will definitely create so many looks using this palette. So yes, and this is for 3 or 4, I don't know. All the links will be, all the price thing, it will be on the screen. So yes, and when I received this, there was this crack, but I did not return this, because I don't think that this is a very bad thing. I don't think so. I didn't return this. The product is not damaged at all. Only this lid is damaged a little bit. There is this crack, if you can see right here. So yes, there is this crack, but that's okay, not a problem. And the next thing I have here is this Khadi Natural Herbal Aloe Vera Gel. And okay, can you focus, camera? I don't know if this is focusing or not. So this is their colored green color. So I wanted to actually buy transparent aloe vera gel, but by mistake I bought this. And the price I have spent on this is kind of okayish, and I haven't tried this aloe vera gel earlier, but the currently I was using Devil Herbs aloe vera gel, which is amazing. So that is going to finish, so I have to buy another one. So why not give this a try? Khadi is a very natural, very beautiful brand, so I have to try this. And this is their herbal aloe vera gel, Khadi aloe vera gel green. Why they have to write aloe vera 2 times? And then this is with licorice and cucumber extract as well. And let me know if you want a detailed review on this, so I will definitely do that. And the next thing that I have here is this, and I did not buy this particularly. This is a normal khali jar, empty jar. This is a very small, tiny, and this comes in a set of 4. So if you are a person who likes to do DIY, this is very small, by the way. This is not a very bulky. If you, I don't know if you can see this right here, I don't know how to measure this, but yes, definitely all the measurements and everything will be in the Amazon page that I will link down below. So yes, this has this metal, okay, this has this metal lid, and this is glass, kaach, and this comes in a set of 4. I have already said that. And I often do DIY, so I needed this. I already had one and I ordered this set. I am only showing you one, but this comes in a set of 4. And the next thing that I have here is another lipstick, which is from Miss Claire. This is their this is in the shade 08 or 80. This is in the shade 08, and this is a very beautiful pink shade that I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing this shade. Very beautiful shade. This is non-transferable. If you want to compare these 2 lipstick, I think this is more cheaper than this one, and this is more क्या बोलेंगे, responsible. I think I will definitely give 9 out of 10, and I only give this 5 out of 10, and not even 5, I think 4 out of 10, because this is expensive than this. Sorry, this is expensive than this, and this is a better choice than this. So yes, very beautiful color. And the next thing that I have here is again from Khadi. This is their Khadi Sweet Almond Oil. I have used this bottle earlier, and I love this Khadi almond oil. This is very beautiful oil. I love this. And if you are if you have any kind of pigmentation, if you have dark lips, if you have dark under eyes, then definitely give this a go ahead. And this will take a little bit time. Be patient, but this will definitely do some results to you. So yes, give this a go. And the next thing that I have here to show you is this Maybelline New Year Color Show Nail Color Remover with Vitamin E. This is a very beautiful nail pen remover. This comes with a set of 2, because this is for, like, I bought this for 90 or 75 rupees, something like that. But if you want to give this a go, then definitely this is very inexpensive. Especially it has vitamin E. So yes, it will not only remove the nail bed, but definitely it will moisturize your nails as well. I think, okay, this is from Kama. I thought this is again from Khadi, but this is their Kama Ayurveda pure rose water. And if you know me from a very long time, then you know that I love rose water as my toner. I have heard so many positive things about this particular rose water, but I haven't used it in my life ever. But this is a very small bottle for 300 rupees. I think there are better rose waters available in the market, which will come in the same price point, but you will get more quantity. So I don't know, I have only used it for 3 or 4 times, and if you can see, I have used, like, it have been used. But the pump is so beautiful. I want to spread this. Okay, the one thing that I would like to mention here is this, the fragrance it has is really weird. That is not rosy. It is rosy, but the first fragrance you will see, you will smell is the rose, but after a minute or 2 you will smell a really weird smell. I don't know, that will, I think that was bothering me. That does bother me, but definitely haven't used it much, so I cannot talk much about this thing. And the next thing that I have for you is this Pond Sun Protect non-oily sunscreen, dermatologically tested, for all skin types, and this is with SPF of 50 PA triple plus UAV UVB cream, and this is a very small size for the price point I have spent on this. 169 में बहुत अच्छी sunscreen मिल जाती है. This is expensive for that purpose. This is only a travel size thing, and I think if you buy the SPF 30 wala version of this, then you will get 80 grams, but this is only 35 grams. I received this today itself in the morning, and this smells like, okay, this smells like Fair and Lovely, which has now become Glow and Lovely, but this smells like pretty much like that. And if you will see, I haven't tried this on my face yet. I have only tried this. So consistency and texture and everything exactly like Fair and Lovely, and yes, it will like easily absorbent, so no hush hush. This doesn't give any kind of white cast, so which is good. And I haven't tried this on my face, so I cannot say anything about this, but let me know if you want a detailed review on this as well. I will definitely do that. And the next thing, I think we are at the second last thing. The next thing I have here is this skincare hairband. This is like hairband we usually use while doing skincare. So this is a very cute headband which pink polka dots and there is a cute bow right here at the front, and this is from Miniso. Amazon also have Miniso products, so yes, this comes in this plastic packaging. So I haven't used it, it's okay, there is nothing to review on this. So yes, this was the second last thing. And the last thing that I have here for you is I have so many products from Indrani Cosmetics, and okay, so I wanted to review this brand. This is Indrani Cosmetic brands, and this is their lavender spa cleanser, and this is their aloe vera spa cleanser cream, and this is their facial spa pack. And the thing that I have right here is this, and it has different products. So it has 7 products in it, and this is their proper facial kit, spa facial kit. And I'm not going to talk much about this brand and these products right now, because I will definitely do a full-fledged video on these products. So yes. Okay guys, so I forgot to shoot these 2 notebooks that I bought from Amazon. These are plain, and iska jo paper hai, that is a little glossy. Both are matte though, but this is a little glossy, just a little bit, and this one is complete like textured paper, and both of these are plain. There are no lines in between. This is more towards yellowish, and this is exact milk white. If you can see in this color, you can see this is more towards yellow, and this is exact white. This says give me space, and this says the secret of getting ahead is getting started, which is very true. Both of these are for my personal use, I believe. I don't know, I might use one of them for my office, but I think I bought these for my personal use. So yep. So yeah, this is all about this video. All the products that I've showed to you. If you're interested in buying them, then there will be one single link in the description down below. So click that link and you will see everything that I've included here. Everything will be included in that particular link. So yes, you can check that out. All the, I think, things that I have received till now have showed to you. If there is anything else, I will show you in my next video. And this is a wrap, and if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you like me and my videos, then please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. And make sure that you are following me on my Instagram handle and somewhere on the screen, and I will see you in my next video. Till then guys, take care and bye bye.